Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the psychology of trading. Trading, it can be a roller coaster. It's a lot of fun. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. You're excited, then you're mad. Sometimes I'll lose like $3,000 and I won't trade for 3-4 days because I'm pissed. Sometimes I'll make $5,000 and then I'm just like, I can't sleep because all I'm doing is trading for 3 days in a row and I'm getting no sleep, but it's so much fun and it's exciting. It's a roller coaster. It is fun. It's addictive, but it's good. It's good to be addicted to making money, I think. So this is a little bit about the psychology of trading. So let's go look at this graph, like FEG, for example. When you look at FEG, you'll notice that, let's go back to a year, it's going crazy. It's exploding right now. So what's happening is all these people, this is when it first came out, all these people are buying in, just waiting. It's moving up. So what happens is it explodes. It starts exploding as more and more people start telling their friends, look, I made money, look, I made money. And they're like, you should get in on this. So their friends start getting in on this. Next thing you know, it's going crazy. Because what ends up happening is people see this too. They see, what? This went up 112% in a day? Wow, I need to put my money there. So people start pouring their money in there. Boom, boom, boom. It starts skyrocketing. It's going crazy. But what also ends up happening is right after people buy that, there's a big pushback, a big, what's called a retracement. So let's look at Kishu. I bought Kishu like 8 days ago, and I made $3,000 off of it in 4 days, off of $400. Now, if I would have held and I had an iron, if I would have had an iron stomach, I like to call it, I sold right here. Okay? If I would have held, I would have went all the way up here. I would have made, my account would be worth $8,000 just off that $400 trade if I held. I didn't hold. I sold. But that's part of the psychology. Trading is a psychology game. You got to be able to control your emotions, your nerves, your feelings. You got to take your feelings out of things. Just because you think, like if you're one of those people who like vegans or something and you don't want to eat animals, if there's a coin that says don't eat animals, you may not want to invest in it just because it's a vegan coin and you're vegan. Like, you know, invest in things that make you profit. That's the way I see it. So you got to remove yourself from the situation. And then look, it immediately crashed down, right? And now it's bouncing back. So now there's FOMO going on. Everybody up here making profits all the way. Profits, 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 profits. And then everybody, a lot of people were like, damn, I made hella money. So they sell. Boom. Heck of people start selling. And now what's happening is everybody who missed out is now going, oh, damn, there's hella money to be made here. This is still a good price. I should get in. So now people are buying it back up, okay? And we don't know what the graph will look like over here, but that's part of the psychology of the market. When things shoot up 100% 3 days in a row, people are going to start selling because they want their money, right? You don't have money until you sell it for money. You just have a coin that's worth something, and it might not be worth that in the future. So people sell so they can get money. And when you sell, one of the best things to sell for is Ethereum. That's one of the reasons why Ethereum keeps blowing up right now. Because a lot of people are getting rich off these little coins right now. And then they're converting it to Ethereum because they know Ethereum is stable. This way they don't lose their money. If you kept your money in here, it'll drop back down, potentially. You don't know. So people are buying Ethereum, trying to protect their money. They made money. Now it's time to protect it. So that's why Ethereum is going up too. But if you look right here, it went up 4,000% in 14 days. That's 40 times your money. So if you would have put $100, you'd have $4,000 if you bought it somewhere over here. So that's pretty much what's going on. So like for me, example, I should have held, but I couldn't control my emotions. I was scared. I thought there was going to be a big pushback and there wasn't. 10 minutes after I sold, it was already back up. By the end of the night, I missed out on $5,000. So, don't be me. Hold your gut, hold it in, and just wait. Be patient. Cryptos are going up. They're not going to go down. Well, for the most part, okay? You know, do your own research and figure that out. But for the most part, cryptos are going up. You don't have to worry about it. So, hold. Okay? Buy the dip. When you see it dip like this, I should have went back in. I should have went back in and I should have bought, but I didn't. So, it's okay. You know, that brings me to my next point. Be happy with any gains that you get. don't be mad because, oh no, I could have made 5,000 more dollars. Like, whatever, dude. You still made $3,000. So be happy with your $3,000. Yes, it could have been 8, but I'm still up. I'm still up. And don't worry about it because don't there's always another day. There's always more days to make more money. So just because I didn't hit a home run on this, even though I kind of did, even though I didn't hit the home run I wanted to hit, there's more coins out there. There's still more opportunity. There's lots of opportunity. Don't be mad. Don't get shooken out. Don't be worried. Just the next day, find some more. Do more research. Find another one. Get back in there. Lick your wounds and move on. It's totally worth it. And that's today's video. Stay strong.